Oke teman-teman Karodi Lovers, jadi di video kali ini gue bakalan ngerekamin hasil suara yang ada di mobil Serena yang terbaru ini ya teman-teman Karodi Lovers. Jadi untuk metodenya gue menggunakan direct bluetooth ke DSP nya untuk hasil suara yang lebih baik ya teman-teman Karodi Lovers. Oke, tanpa panjang lebar gue mau langsung rekamin hasil suaranya. Teman-teman jangan lupa gunakan headset ya.
Your number said I hit you up next week, yeah. So I called you up on Sunday. She said, say you quick hello. When I tell you dump your number, no one's picking up the phone. Yeah. I promise you will see. I'm gonna get you on the phone. Self-esteem, no, only made me think I'm always get you on the phone with me. Oh, so I put my phone on private, and then you said hello. Oh, now I'm feeling very happy, cause you got you on the phone. I promise you will see.
Walk a mile in my shoes, then you know how I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes, for you to this man. If you walk in my shoes, you might understand. People always try to tell me what I ought to do. Some really want to help me. Lord, I know it's true. Everybody got an opinion. Better take some advice. It don't really make no difference. I got to live my own life. I'm a simple type of person. Oh yeah. Don't read much in this old life. I read my Bible, trying to live my life right. I don't need nobody. Tell me what I ought to do. If you really want to help me,
first I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get get along, and so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just 1 second, you're back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door and just turn around now, because you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I crumbled? Did you think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. I kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my love for someone who's loving me. ku tanpa alasan, berulang ingin bertemu. Aku punya perasaan, nampaknya kau tak mengerti. Tahukah dirimu, tahukah hatimu, berulang ku ketuk. Aku mencintamu, tapi dirimu tak pernah sadari. Aku yang jatuh cinta. Aku selalu menemani saat kau rapuh dan jatuh, namun saat kau bahagia, nampaknya ku terlupakan. Tahukah dirimu, tahu
Right.